Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Canva creator. First, you will need to navigate to the Canva Creator Program page. This program allows you to share your designs with millions of users and earn royalties. We will walk through the initial setup, ensuring you meet all the necessary criteria. It's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your creative talents and contribute to the global design community. To begin, you must have an active Canva account and a portfolio demonstrating your design skills. Canva looks for high-quality, unique content that aligns with their brand standards. The application process involves filling out a detailed form, including information about your design experience and the types of templates you plan to create. Make sure to review and accept the creator terms and conditions before submitting. After submitting your application, Canva's team will carefully evaluate your design portfolio. They assess the originality, quality, and market appeal of your work. This review process typically takes several weeks, so patience is key. If approved, you will receive an email notification and gain access to the Creator dashboard. This is where you can start uploading and managing your templates for the Canva community. Once approved, you can begin uploading your original templates, photos, and graphics to the Canva library. Every time a Canva user incorporates your design into their projects, you earn a royalty. The more high-quality, popular designs you contribute, the greater your earning potential. Remember to regularly update your portfolio with fresh, trending content to maximize your visibility and income as a valued Canva creator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.